Cloth brushes simulate a variety of cloth-like influences on your mesh. Low to mid-resolution meshes with a bit of sculpted information work best. Cloth ball allows you to sculpt with a round tip brush with a soft fall-off as your strokes interact with previous strokes. Switch from standard strokes to holding Alt for best results. Cloth Dimple simulates a section of cloth pulled inward to a center point. Hold Alt to perform the inverse. Cloth Fold is a round, soft brush with slight folded edge that changes its placement depending on the direction you're stroking. Hold the Alt key to invert your stroke. Cloth Hook is a strong cloth simulated move brush that offers limited stretching. Cloth Inflate simulates inflated cloth along your stroke. This brush requires a combined use of its standard stroke along with its Alt stroke to form some folds and wrinkles. Cloth Move is your standard move brush with cloth simulation applied to each stroke. Switch between standard and Alt stroke to create wrinkles. Cloth Nudge allows you to slide wrinkles across your mesh, bunching up along the way. Cloth Pinch will pinch and simulate a wrinkle seam from your sculpted surface. Cloth Pinch Trails is a stronger version of the Cloth Pinch brush. Cloth Pull is a combination of both Cloth Nudge and Cloth Move brushes as it allows you to slide and bunch geometry into wrinkles as well as pull simulated cloth in any direction. Cloth Slide glides across your surface creating wrinkles similar to the Cloth Nudge brush but with a bit of inflate applied. Cloth Twister spirals your surface inward. Hold Alt to spin in the opposite direction. Cloth Wind simulates a gust of wind hitting your surface relative to its surface normals.